So what we're doing is just excuse me, a little under the weather, people. Forgive me. Okay, and we got this out. Jeez, this thing looks like it has never been changed, which is a reusable. And so you may clean this and use a cap. Actually, no. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm going to so, you know, they send you these papers in there and they give you little, you know, installation instructions, things like that, you know, but we don't need that. Okie we're going in like, let's see which one is the top and the bottom. Same size. Make sure. Alright. Going back in. Okay. Thank you, sir. Well, Micro Tools. Okay. And we good. Voila. And we pull this back down. And then we add the cover back in. It goes up and down. Alright. Make sure you clean out all your little dusty, handy dirt. And that's how you install a